Hey everybody, it's Bria Loren and it's Sunday. Normally that is a wash day for me, but I am feeling extremely lazy and I don't feel like doing my hair. I have a ton of other things that I want to get done today and my hair needs some TLC, but I'm not trying to give it no TLC right now. I just want to put it in the bun and call it a day, but that's not what you're supposed to do. So I will be using the Naturalicious 5-in-1 clay treatment, Razul clay treatment. I know you saw me use this not too long ago in a previous video. This was for my 30-minute wash day video. So I'm not in a rush this time. I have nowhere to go. It is Sunday, but I am lazy. So I'm going to go ahead and use this to fulfill my wash day. Now the good thing about this is that this is a detoxifying cleanser, a effortless detangler, a deep conditioner, and all while doing and working as a leave-in conditioner as well. So all in one. This is not a hoax. I wouldn't have it on my channel if it was. This really does work and it's so fast, it's so easy. I don't have to use a ton of products. I don't have to go through a lot. Actually, I'm not even about to step in the shower. I have my water bottle with hot water so I can open up the cuticle of my hair and make sure my hair is easy to detangle. And I got this, okay? And I will be using her other products, but right now I'm just going to go ahead and whip this out and I am just going to time lapse this and you can watch me apply this to my hair. Again, this is about to be simple, fast, lazy hair wash day. Go! So I'm starting off with an old wash and go, and like always, I'm just going to section my hair. And starting with the back section, just because I'm just going to saturate my hair with warm water. And of course, I forgot to get a towel, so make sure you get a towel if you're not going to get in the shower, but it's a lazy hair wash day, so if you're not recording a YouTube video, then get in the shower and enjoy your night. I'm then going to grab the Razul clay treatment, and I'm just going to get a nice amount of that and apply that to my hair and my scalp. I always like to smooth the product on because just applying the product to the hair will make the hair tangle up. So just smooth it onto the hair, and then I grab my wide tooth comb and I start to detangle from my ends to my root. And you want to be sure you're doing this very gently. Don't be too rough when you're detangling. Make sure your hair is saturated with the product and with water so it eliminates any type of breakage. And then I'm just going to section off the hair and put it away while I work on the next section. And like magic, I am all set and the product is fully applied to my hair. Okay guys, so I've put the clay treatment on my hair. There's a few things you can do after this step. You can either just rinse it out and style your hair and go about your day. You can sit under a hooded dryer and let this penetrate your hair so you can really get a good deep conditioning treatment and cleanse, and then you can rinse it out. Or you can do like I'm going to do. I'm going to grab the Divine & Shine Moisture Lock and Frizz Fighter. This is the step 3 of their system. I really like this to just get a lot of oil on my hair, and then I will deep condition, sit under the hooded dryer, and then I will rinse it out. I still feel like that's a way easier wash day than doing the normal go in the shower, rinse your hair out, pre-poo, shampoo, deep condition, moisturize, seal. I'm about to do all this literally with 3 products. So I'm going to go on with this step 3, and I'm just going to go ahead and coat this like crazy with my hair. So again, I'm going to apply the Divine & Shine Moisture Lock oil to my hair, and I'm just going to make sure my hair is saturated and covered in the oil. And I really want to focus on my ends just to make sure my ends are staying healthy, because of course that is the oldest part of your hair. And I'm just going to grab a plastic bag and wrap that around, and then I'm just going to sit under my hooded dryer, scroll down Instagram and Facebook, and listen to some music. Okay, so I sat under the hooded dryer for about 15 minutes or so. I was not looking at the clock. Again, this is a lazy wash day. So my hair definitely feels very moisturized and soft. And I'm just going to rinse this out and I will be right back. Okay guys, I just rinsed out my hair. My hair is definitely soft and fluffy and moisturized and ready for styling. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do something real simple and easy, because we like to do everything simple and easy. So I'm going to grab the Naturalicious Moisture Infusing Styling Cream, and I'm just going to do a very chunky twist out. This is not for definition, this is for volume. So I'm just going to grab a little bit more of this oil here, and I'm just going to part a large section in the back. You want to make sure your hair is fully detangled, otherwise it will come out a hot frizzy mess. So this product is very thick and moisturizing, and what I like is that it's multi-use as well. So I can use it as a leave-in conditioner, a styler. It's also a great heat protectant, so I don't need to go in with a leave-in and then a styler and then a gel. I can just use this one product and again go on with my lazy wash day. So I'm just going to make sure my hair is fully covered in the product, because again, since we're doing a chunky twist out, we have to make sure our hair is fully coated and fully detangled, so that way I can avoid any frizz and just get volume and definition. And I'm just going to detangle as I go, just in case if my hair gets frizzy, and just make sure you go it to the ends and twirl it around. I'm just going to continue to twist my hair until I am done, so see you in a second. Okay, so my hair is all twisted up. I wouldn't even say this is a chunky twist, this is more like a medium twist, but nevertheless an easy and simple wash day. I literally sat in this chair and listened to music and listened to Wendy Williams and did my hair while in my chair. Literally took me no time at all. It took me about an hour to do my hair, and honestly could have been faster if I wasn't so lazy, but again, lazy wash day accomplished. I'm just gonna leave this in and I will unravel and fluff in the morning, and I will show you the final result. See you in the morning. Peace. Hey guys, so I'm back and I've already started unraveling my hair. I thought I was recording and I wasn't. So I just grabbed some of the Divine and Shine Moisture Lock Frizz Fighter. Just put that a little bit more on my fingers and I'm just going to unravel. Now I care more about volume than frizz, so that's why I did my twist a little bit chunkier and thicker. My hair is 100% dry, by the way, and like I said, this was a very easy wash day. It feels like I didn't even have a wash day. That was more like a wash hour, and I still got a bomb twist out. Well, we don't know just yet, but I've used these products well enough to know that the twist out is about to be chaotic. You can see the definition. It's something crazy. So now I'm just going to go ahead and fluff and show you all the final result. So stick around just for a little bit longer.
Don't stop, yes, y'all, and you don't stop. 1, 2, y'all, and you don't stop. Yes, y'all, and you don't stop. To the beat, y'all, and you don't stop. Yes, y'all, and you don't stop. 1, 2, y'all, and you don't stop.
Of course, guys, you know the normal routine: fluff and slay out the door. Definitely check the description box for all your information on Naturalicious and get your lazy natural hair day going. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Peace.